everyone, today you meet me Pia Perfect Homes again, and today I'm going to show you about the house at Tharn Dong floor. For this house is the good location because this house is behind the Kad Farang, and they have a limping and the shopping mall outlet premium, and for the coffee shop and the restaurant around here. And just 8 kilometers from here to the airport. It's very close to the hospital, Chiang Mai Property Hospital, and a lot of the mall like the Central Airport and Big C and the Macro too. And back to the house. For this house is 2-story for 3 bathroom, 3 bedroom with the area 55 sq.wah and usable area 220 square meter. You want to see the side? Let's see here. For the over there, the first thing you can see the garage here. You can park the car. I think for 2 cars you can park this. It's very nice. And for that side, in the front of the house, you can change here to the garden and plant to the flower, everything here, and you can put the table here. I forgot to tell you that for the front of the face is the northwest. It's very nice. Let's see inside the house. Let's see inside the house. For this house, the living room is, I think it's so big for here. And for the best thing is, for this house have a 2 doors for coming inside the house. For the front here is the first one, and for here, for this door is next from the garage. And this area, I think we can put the sofa here or here. You want this, and you can put a television here or here too. For you can make it, you can do it if you want to do this. And for here, you can put the table here for change to be the dining area here, and it's too big here. And here they have a storage. Is a little bit big because if you have something to keep, you can put inside this and keep. And coming for this way, for the first floor, they have the small room here. You can do the office or the built-in walk and closet or something like the playground for your kids. And the first floor, they have a toilet room here for the white color. And next here, is the big kitchen. You can have the second dining area here for eating something with the family here. And you can, for here, you can cook your food and set everything here too. And for here, they have a washing area for you. You can put a washing machine here and hang your clothes here too. So let's see for over there. For this area is you can change for do the washing area too, the second washing area. And if you want to plant a glass or something, the vegetable here, you can do this. And now I will show for the upstairs for you. And let's see for the on the second floor. I will show you for the master bedroom. For this room is really big. They have a table here for you can work here, and they have a bed for you. For this room have many windows for you. The sun is coming when you wake up. The wind is coming too, and it's very nice. Every window, every door here, they have a mosquito screen for you. And this room, the nice room is they have a balcony for you. It's very nice. And if you want to put the closet, you can put here, or you can change for the sofa something here, you can put here. And this room, they have a shower room for you. They have a, you can change if you want, but they have a mirror here for you, and the sink, and with the white color, and with the shower for you. And let's see for other side. On the second floor, they have a the third toilet here, and the shower too. Every toilet here, they have the white color, and the mirror and the sink for you too. Okay. For outside this, on my left hand is the second bedroom. If you have the kids or the friend you come in here, you can change it for the bedroom, or you want to change to be the walk-in closet too. It's really nice room. And the last room is the third bedroom. You can put the bed and the closet here. It's very nice. If you have friends coming here, you can change for that. And on the second floor, the ground is made from the wood. It's really nice. So I would talk with this house again. For this house, a 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2-story. The usable area 220 square meter and 55 square wah. The house is behind the Kad Farang. They have a rimping, the coffee shop and the restaurant too, and premium outlet for shopping. It's really good for the high school. And just 8 kilometers from here to airport, and very close to Chiang Mai Hospital, and the Lotus, Macro, and Big C Tharn Dong too. If you interested, please contact this. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my video, please. And today, thank you. Bye.